Hey guys, and welcome to another video. If you're new here, it's me. I'm Caroline. I do videos here and there. I'm coming back to the usual scheduling, so you'll be seeing more of me. So yeah, your girl's been away for a while when it's come to tutorials and stuff. I bought this new camera. My old laptop, which was like 6 years old, couldn't handle the resolution and like the size of the videos that were coming out. Like I can record 4K now, but my laptop could not handle it. So every time I tried to import my footage, it would just crash. And now that really just that left me at such a demotivated state. Also, you know, your girl, I work a lot of hours. I handle a lot of responsibilities, you know, so when I come home from work, I'm exhausted. I just want to lie in bed and just stay there like this for a while. And so you know, I've really been going through it for the past couple of months. Like I was sick and tired of even attempting to do my videos because I could never import my videos. Like when I record, I take up to 2 hours because when I'm doing looks, I like to be perfect. So you know, I take my time with it, and just trying to even import the videos into my laptop it took hours and hours, and it would just kept crashing and crashing and crashing. So I've got a new laptop. So now I should be able to import 4K, 5K, 17K. It doesn't matter. So I'm going to do a look today. I'm going to make this tutorial. So I actually, regardless, you know, I don't even do my makeup anymore to work. I used to wear my makeup to work every day. Now I don't even do that. So I only wear my makeup when I'm going out with the girls or I'm doing something. So to be honest, I've been buying makeup, loads of makeup. I got loads of new makeup. And you know, I haven't really had a chance to use all of it, but now I'm gonna get back into my videos. I'm gonna try use it all. So recently I just got the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsession. She had a Black Friday sale, and that I bought a lot. I bought the Tantor, I bought this, I bought this, I bought the Nymph highlighter. I'm sure there was something else, but I forgot. So yeah, I bought quite a few things, and I really want to use it today. Like purple is my favorite color, so I want to use this today. So I'm going to use this today. So most of my face is done. I just need to prime my eyelids, and then I'm just going to get going. I'm already wearing like a purple top to go along with this look, so hopefully it goes all right. So let me just prime my eyelids with some Morphe primer, and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm going to start off by using a very light color. So I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I'm going to take this shade right here, which is called Eden. It's like a light peach. I'm just going to take some of that on my brush. I'm just going to wash this all over the eye. Okay, so taking the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette, I'm going to take this one in the bottom left corner to me. This one, I think this is bottom left corner for you too. Bottom left corner for me. I'm going to take some of this nice, you'd say grape colour. And I'm just going to start on the lid. Like that. And then I'm just going to blend it out. Pat some more on and basically bring it up to the socket in there. And then I wing out my shadow. Some eyes you can circle it round. Me, I like to wing out my eyeshadow. Just going back in with that Eden colour, I'm going to take a little bit of that again. I'm just going to go back and buff this colour back in again. I feel like these two colours really merge well together. It looks like a nice gradient. Okay, so I'm going to take this colour. This is the darkest purple in the palette. I'm going to take some of that on like a little small fluffy pointed brush. I'm going to start by putting this on the outer corner of the eye, right here. And I ain't gonna be dragging it around too much because I just wanna blend it out a little. And just wanna pack it on. I'm going to slightly blend that outwards here. So I'm kind of just defining it. I want to get a little bit of a shape first before I start really packing on the colour. Okay, I don't have a clean, smaller brush. I need a smaller, pointier, fluffy brush. I don't have one. So I'm just going to attempt to use the same brush. So I'm going to take the same purple. And I'm going to put this on the inner corner. Think of it as like a halo eye. And then with the leftover product from this colour down here, I'm just going to buff out the edges on that little deep grape shade that I just put on. Okay, so I am gonna use the shimmer now. You've got one, two, three, four, five, 6 shimmers and 3 mattes in this palette. The ones that are catching my eyes are the 2 in the center. So it'd be this one in the middle and this one up here as well. So this one, I think of this like midnight cherry, that's what I would call it. And then you've got this one, which is like a very shimmery, spaceshipy, purple galaxy. That I don't know how to call it. But yeah, they're very, very beautiful colors. You can see here. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. I'm just deciding which one to use. Alright, so I've decided I'm going to use both of them. So I'm going to start off with the dark one here first. I don't think do they have color names? I don't know. But I'm going to use this one up here. I'm just going to take it on my finger. And I'm just going to press it down right here in the middle where the little gap is. Okay, so now that I've applied that, I'm going to take this middle shade here and I'm just going to press that and pack it on top basically. So I used the dark one as a base, so I'm going to use this one. And I'm just going to pack it on top. Okay, so now I'm going to take this colour down here, which is a nice like champagne pink shimmer. I'm going to basically put this on the inner corner of my eyes. And I just think it goes really well with the theme, which obviously why it's in the palette. So that looks nice. I'm going to take this colour up here, which is a little bit darker than this one down here. Just going to take some of that on my little smudgy brush. And I'm going to start on my lower lash line down here. I'm going to add the baybeeeee Bold Silver waterproof eyeliner in my waterline because I feel like every purple look I do, I always put purple liner in there. Let me switch it up a little bit and make it silver. And although it might not look like I've done anything, there is a difference. Okay, I'm going to use my favourite lashes. These are the Ream lashes by Pinky Goat. Love these. I actually need to get another pair of these lashes because I keep using them and then, you know, the lash band starts to go funky and whatnot. So let me just apply these quickly off camera. Okay, so I'm going to start highlighting with my Champagne Pop, which has, yeah, really hit pan. So I'm going to grab a little bit of that. Just pop this at the top of my cheekbones. My nose, just a tad. Cupid's bow and a little on the chin. Then with my Anastasia Beverly Hills loose highlighter in Snowflake, I'm going to grab a little bit of this. I'm going to put this right on top. When I say a little, I mean a lot. So okay, so I'm gonna add some blush. I'm using the Morphe 8C Cool Pro palette. I'm gonna take a little bit of It Girl and a little bit of Hot and just pack that on, mainly towards the cheekbone, a little bit on the apple, and just blend that back. Okay, for the lips, I'm going to use the NYX Lip Pencil Lip Liner in Mauve, which is like my ultimate lip liner. I'm just going to line my lips with this quick, very basic line. Then I'm going to top it off with some Kiko 3D Hydra lip gloss in 27. These lip glosses are phenomenal. You'll be hearing about them in my next video. So this is basically a lilac version of my most favorite lip gloss. It's just like a lilac gloss, pretty much. Okay, so this is pretty much the final look. This is my Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions kind of look. I'm loving it. Purple's my favorite color. Like, I feel like I could just put a splash of purple on my eyes and I will live for it. And I say this every video. If you listen to the ending of every video, I say I'm living for this look. I love this look. I'm all about the look. But yeah, I love the purple. The purple, you've got like a tint of purple in the lips, and you've got the super shiny eyes. I love it. Like, I really love this look. Purple, out here in the light. So yeah, this is the look. If you guys did enjoy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And I will be posting more often now, don't worry about that. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.